This is a nice, refreshing spice cake. I'm Tess, and today I'm making a southern peach cake that is great for the holidays and get-togethers. Stay tuned. First, I am mixing my dry ingredients and sifting. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. In another bowl, I have 3 eggs, and I'm adding in 1 3/4 cups of sugar and mixing well. I'm adding in 1 cup of vegetable oil and again mixing well. Now I'm adding my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients, and I will do this in a couple batches, mixing well in between. Make sure you scrape the sides and bottom well. The batter will be slightly thick, and try not to overmix. You can use canned peaches for this recipe. Today I'm using 2 cups of fresh peaches that I peeled and diced. These will add a lot of flavor and moisture to this cake. I'm folding in the peaches until incorporated. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm pouring in my peach cake batter into a 9x13 grease baking pan and leveling out. This is optional, but I'm laying a layer of fresh sliced peaches down the center to give everyone the hint of what's inside the cake. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this southern peach cake below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. I'm also sprinkling over some sliced almonds for a little crunch. This is going into a 375 degree preheated oven for 50 minutes or until the center is firm. The kitchen smells amazing. The cake is done and I'm going to let it cool to room temperature. It is going to be hard to resist. In the meantime, I'm going to make a simple icing to drizzle over the top. I have about a 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar, and I'm adding in a little drizzle of milk at a time. It will take about a teaspoon or so to get the consistency that I want. And that is going to do it right there. This is what you want, and whisk it until it is smooth. Once the cake is completely cool, I'm going to drizzle the icing over the top. There's no right or wrong here. Just try to evenly disperse the icing so everyone gets a bite. I made these Hungry Man servings, but you can easily get 12 to 16 servings out of this cake. This southern peach cake is nice and moist and dense like a coffee cake, so a little will go a long way. I can taste the hint of cinnamon, and it has a light peach flavor with a crunchy, sweet, peachy topping. With the holiday season coming, this is a great cake recipe to keep in mind. Easy to put together and delicious. I hope you give this southern peach cake a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!